Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome back to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today I will be discussing on ties. Ties in music, you will see a curved line going from the same note to the next same note. What that does, it holds the value of the note longer. So if you have a 4/4 time signature, you have one whole note in one measure, you have that tie connecting to the next measure. We have a whole note gets 4 counts. That tie connects it to the other whole note, which also gets 4 counts. You're going to hold that one whole note for 8 counts, for 8 beats. If let's say that whole note is on the 3rd space C, you're holding that 3rd space C for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're holding that C for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this helps explain what a tie is. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye.